Hello flippers and holders, investors and collectors. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an Eternl wallet on the Cardano blockchain. Start off by opening your favorite browser and type in Eternl Wallet. Check that it's ccwallet.io. Click on the link. From here, you want to click on the browser extension app. You go to the Chrome store. You click add to the browser that you're using if it's compatible. Need to add to Brave, add extension, and wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, click on the jigsaw puzzle and then add a wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can restore it here by typing in your seed phrase to unlock the Nami wallet, for instance, that we showed you in the previous tutorial. If not, you create a wallet here, you make a name for it, let's call it Tanjiro Tutorial as always, and set a desired password. Once your password and name is set, click save. Number of accounts, keep it at 1. Click save. Confirm that nobody can see your screen because now the seed phrase is gonna come. So get your paper ready, your pen, and write down the seed phrase that is going to come up. Once you've typed in all the words, click on the box that you understand that the only way to recover your wallet is by having your recovery phrase, which is the words of up here to unlock your wallet. Continue, wait for it to load, and you have now successfully created your Eternl wallet on the Cardano blockchain. As you can see, this is a bit more extensive than the Nami wallet, and in order to activate it to use it on marketplaces and other dApps, you have to connect your wallet here. Click there and now it's ready to use. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!